For a few minutes, I could not understand whether it was the true reality or the scene I was living in my imagination.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video.
Hello everybody, my name is Suyash. You're watching Mind Body Spirit. Today's Law of Attraction success story is really inspiring. It's one of those success stories where the contributor actually knew a lot of people who had failed in this kind of a goal. The contributor knew that the chances of success may actually be very low, but she thought, all right, let's try this. Others may have failed, but let me try this. And when she was trying for that, she actually applied the law of attraction. And the result, against all odds, was absolutely phenomenal. So it's a really great, inspiring success story. Give this video a like and let's get started. So today's success story has been sent to me by the contributor through email, and the contributor herself has named the success story Ask, Believe and Achieve It. And the contributor writes, Hi Suyash, please keep me anonymous. So that's why I'm not sharing her name. I am a regular follower of your channel and I have been associated with your channel ever since it was started. So she's an OG Mind Body Spirit family member. Alright, I was thinking to share some of my success stories, and here I am with one truly remarkable story. Ask, Believe and Achieve It. That's how she has named it. Back in 2019, one day when my manager told me that he had recommended my name for a US B1 visa, I was very happy. But he additionally said, if you get your visa, we will plan to send you soon. We all know that in the recent times, getting visa approved was a great challenge. Many of my team members have had their visa denied. So of course, chances were very low. But that day, after coming back home, I planned things in my mind. Being a regular follower of your channel, I decided to put everything into practice. After completing my visa application and finalizing every formality, I started to work on my strategies. And now she has actually listed out all the things that she did. First of all, I started to collect all the standard questions which are generally asked in any B1 visa interview. I prepared their answers and written them properly. Number 2, I decided what I will be wearing for my interview. I prepared my dress. So she's preparing, and also we can say that she was applying the act as if technique. All these techniques that she'll actually be mentioning, I will tell you how you can actually learn those and you can watch those videos. I prepared a vision board for myself and placed it in front of my bed so I can see it every time before sleeping and as soon as I wake up. Then the next one, I had prepared a mock visa with my photo and my details on it and used to see it every now and then and smile and feel the pleasure. Alright. Next, many times I used to get ready in my visa interview dress, and in front of the mirror, I used to ask myself some of the questions which may be asked in the interview and my prepared answers. Then I used to imitate the action of the interviewer and say, congratulations, your visa is approved. So this is like the core act as if technique. Now the last thing I did was scripting. I wrote down everything in detail about how my interview went and how happy I am to get a visa. I put the date of my interview on top of my diary page and started the script with, today I am so happy to get my US B1 visa approved. Everything I have written in so much detail, like a movie scene. I have mentioned how after my interview, I called my manager and told him about this, how I called my family and informed them. So apart from all the other things, she was also doing scripting very properly. Lastly, I used to visualize the whole scene every now and then, like all the time, before going to sleep, after waking up, while going to work. Anytime when I could, I used to live the same things in front of my eyes and I used to feel the emotions with that. So finally, she was also doing visualizing. Now all of these techniques, acting as if, vision board, scripting, visualizing, I will link the playlist containing all these videos that I've made about the law of attraction techniques, which I call the Learn the Law of Attraction playlist. Down below in the description of this video and also in one of my own comments below this video. And these 4 techniques that she has specifically mentioned, I will link their videos also. So if you're a little short of time, you can just watch those 4 videos. But if possible, go through that entire Learn the Law of Attraction playlist. It will really help you with your law of attraction practices. Alright, so then let's see what happens. Now the D-Day has come. I went for my B1 visa interview. Things went by, and yes, my real life movie actually went as per the script I had written. My visa got approved. Now remember, many of her colleagues had not received visa. They had not succeeded in this. The chances were low, but she got it. I got my visa. My visa got approved. I must say, when I came out of the embassy office, for a few minutes, I could not understand whether it was the true reality or the scene I was living in my imagination. She had imagined it so much that she did not know if it was real or her imagination. As I was so much dwelled into that in the past few weeks, my mind got confused within my imagination and my reality. But it was my truth, and it all happened as it was planned and scripted. Thanks to the law of attraction, thanks to the universe, special thanks to you, Suyash, and all the contributors who sent you their law of attraction success stories here and helped me to do so as well. I wanted to share my success story here as I know how helpful these real life success stories are. I hope my story can help others too. Alright, what a fantastic success story, and it shows us that, right now we may be in a situation where chances of success are very low. People are telling us, in these situations, normally what happens is people also start saying, oh, it is very difficult, how will it happen, etc., etc. But if we can keep our mind disciplined, if we can keep ourselves motivated, and if we sincerely, with discipline, properly apply the law of attraction, then things can really go in our favor against all odds. And so that's why I really love this success story. To the person watching this video, let me know down below in the comments what you think about this success story. Give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel Mind Body Spirit. And to get the maximum benefit out of these law of attraction success stories, watch these success stories every day. At least one, if possible, more success stories. Watch them every day. And what will happen is gradually your thought process will change, your belief will increase, and your results with the law of attraction will become faster. They'll become more certain. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos that I've posted in this series till now. So go ahead right now, watch a few more success stories, watch these success stories every day, and notice the difference for yourself.